Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language exercise 1.4 fifth one. If a equal to x where x equals to 2 to the power n belongs to whole numbers and n should be less than 4, and b equal to x where x equal to 2n and small n belongs to natural numbers, n should be less than or equal to 4, and c value is given 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then verify the associative property of intersection of sets. It is given that x is 2 to the power n to find the value of a, and it should be whole number less than 4. The whole number starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 less than 4. So we'll write till 3. The function is given as x equals to 2 to the power n. So first we'll sub the value of 0. When n equal to 0, 2 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1. Next, we will write the value 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. And 2 to the power 3 is 8. Therefore, the value of a is 1, 2, 4, 8. And in the second question, it is given x equal to 2n. And it should be natural number less than or equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number starts from 1. Since equal to is given, we'll write 4. Now when we'll write the sub the value of 1 in the place of n. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. So the value of b is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we'll prove the associative property of intersection. Associative property of intersection formula is a intersection b intersection c is equals to a intersection b intersection c. So first two terms bracket, second two terms bracket. First we'll prove the left hand side. In left hand side, the first we'll solve inside the brackets a intersection b. Since a is given first, I've written the value of a. Then I've written the value of b. The relationship between them is intersection. A and b value just now we have found here. The relationship between them is intersection, means the common elements. We'll circle those common elements. 2, 4, 8. Now we'll write the whole term a intersection b intersection c. A intersection b answer is 2, 4, 8, and the value of c is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6 given in the question. The relationship between a intersection b and c is intersection. Intersection means the common element. Will circle and write down those elements. So the answer is 2. Now we'll come to the right hand side. A intersection b intersection c. First we'll prove inside the brackets. The value of b is 2, 4, 6, 8, and the value of c is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. The relationship between them is intersection. Intersection means the common elements. The common elements are 2, 6. Now we'll find the whole value a intersection b intersection c. The value of a is 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection b intersection c, just now we have found here 2, 6. So what is common here? 2 is common. Here left hand side answer is equals to right hand side answer. Therefore a intersection b intersection c is equals to a intersection b intersection c. Next here, sixth one, example. Thank you children. Any doubt, please comment.